attest to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation.
Hey guys, it's Elbie. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than usual because, well, the world's a little bit different than usual right now. We're in the middle of a world pandemic with COVID-19 and, well, things aren't really going to be back to normal. I believe we're going to have a new normal after this because the world's been shut down for so long and people are out of work and it's just not really getting better. So this is going to be our life for the next little while, and I don't know about you guys, but I feel like we got to make the best out of this time. So I'm actually starting a new mini-series of things you can do in self-isolation. So I have started that series. I've started filming this week, so stay tuned for those videos coming out. They will actually be really useful and helpful and give you lots of tips and pointers along the way. These videos are going to be things that you can do at home without going out and getting any kind of supplies. If you have any useful tips or activities that can be done, please comment and put them down below so that we can share them with everybody. Okay, so in this video here, you'll notice that I'm gardening. I'm not a gardener. I do not really know much about gardening, so I might be doing this all wrong, which I probably am. But I have those nasty little black flies in all of my plants, so this day I had to replant all of my plants, and in order to get rid of them, I was told that you need to rinse the roots. So that's why I am getting as much dirt as I can away from the roots, and then you'll notice that I go over to the hose and I do rinse them out. My plants, I don't know, I just don't really have a green thumb. Even the ones that say that they're hard to kill, I somehow kill them. I don't know if I'm just giving them too much light, not enough light, too much water, not enough water. I try and read the labels of each of my different plants and figure out, how much water it needs, how much light it needs, and do the appropriate thing towards that label, but I just seem to kill plants no matter what I do. I don't know if it's just because I've been moving around a lot and I haven't been able to keep my plants in one place for all that long, and I know plants don't really do well when you move. Yeah, I don't know. My plants are dying, like spider plants, and apparently those are the kind that, are impossible to kill, but I have killed more than one at the same time, so I need help. Teach me your ways of gardening. So yeah, if you have any gardening tips for me, please comment them down below. I will gladly take all of those tips and put them into my head of knowledge because I need them, please. Now here I had a bunch of root rot, so I'm just kind of snipping that away as well, so hopefully it does not spread anymore. Fun fact, the roots look like this because they are grown in pots. Normal trees' roots actually grow out and not really down in a way we all think they do. Okay, so back to the things you can do in self-isolation. This is the list that I have come up with so far, and I might not use all of these things, / I might put a few of these things together in videos, but here's my list. So I have spring cleaning, organize your kitchen, reimagine your wardrobe, garden, do the things you've been putting off, learn something new, take some personal time, try something new, create a bucket list, finish a Know Thyself questionnaire, and create a routine. So if you have anything else that you would like to either see or add to the list, or like some helpful tips and tricks and stuff like that, please comment them down below so that we can all look at them and share them and do them, because this is a really difficult time for everybody, basically. I don't know about you guys, we've been pretty lucky. I work at home, and my boyfriend, he is in construction, so he's been deemed an essential service. So he is still working, and his company's kind of making sure that he's still working. So we are super, super grateful for that. But I know that a lot of people aren't in the same situation, and I'm really sorry that this is happening. Like, it's just really sad and honestly a little bit surreal still. My life hasn't really changed much besides my once a week outing to the grocery store, which I am starting to feel really deprived of. Well, not really deprived of. I am a huge introvert. I can basically stay at home for weeks at a time and keep busy with all of my crafting stuff and computer work and whatever. I also have ADHD, so I just bounce around the house all day long no matter what. But yeah, and I do realize that this is a very difficult time for a lot of people, and by a lot of people I basically mean the entire world. Like, this is just impacted us so hard, and it's going to continue impacting us, and we are going to have to recover from this, and it's going to take a long time, I feel, just to get things back to the way that they were quote-unquote normal before. But they will get back to normal, so do not fret. It will take some time, but things will get there. I know it's really hard right now, and it is very easy to just focus on the bad, and I don't have TV, so I don't really know what the news is like other than the live updates that I watch for the coronavirus. But even that, I had to take some time off of watching because it was just becoming a little much, and I was getting a little too depressed. So remember that there is sunshine outside now, and even though it is a little bit cold still, go and soak up that vitamin D, because it is so important to do so. And try and talk to some people that you haven't really connected with in a little while, and use this time productively, because we will get through this, and we just have to stick together and be a community through it all. So please, guys, keep moving. Do not slow down. Again, this is a difficult time, but this will pass and things will get back to normal. So thank you for watching my little update here. Please like the video, comment down below if you have any other tips, and thank you so much.